DJ.
Haya. Sindo hoye. Suba hoye. Vijana hoye. Wamama hai. Hey. Sindo umor. Sindo will. Sindo uchiek. Anbia chiek. Kanga da chiek tati manenade. Eru kama na hinya. Anano ko uyora malicha hinya. Poka neno sindo kachalo kama. Hey. Eru kamano. Koro wanda maj jomongo ka winjo wende. Because I'm not in parliament. But all the times I listen to what is going on in parliament. Recently, they brought a finance bill in parliament, which was introducing new taxes in parliament. And we gave instruction to our members of parliament of ODM to oppose that bill, the finance bill. Because that bill was an oppressive bill. It was introducing excessive taxation of our people, including the farmers. Because it was introducing a taxation that is called commodity tax, meaning that we are going to even tax things which are products of agriculture. Now you remember when they were doing campaign, they were talking about returning GMR, guaranteed minimum return. That language has actually now disappeared. Now I was shocked and surprised to see some members of parliament from the region who voted for that bill now rising up and opposing the implementation of that bill. Shame on them. Shame on them. Shame on them. But what also surprised me was that the member of parliament for this constituency also voted for that bill. Karoli Omondi, did you send him to vote for that bill? No worry. Ofuo kango. Now, we have agreed on certain issues. We agreed, the team that we put together to negotiate, NADCO, agreed on basic issues. We had 4 issues. One was the issue of the cost of living. Hello? The second was the issue of IEBC. The third was the issue of political parties. And the fourth was the issue of the taxation. Okay? The team has agreed, one, that the issue of IEBC will be constituted with our participation, that we must approve the names of those who are going to be members of IEBC. 2, we have agreed that the server is going to be opened. Okay? Hello? Number 3, tumekubaliana ya kwamba wale ambao wanakuwa malaya wa siasa, wale ambao wanataka kutoroka kwa chama cha ODM waende kwa vyama vingine, tutawarudisha kwa wananchi. Winja mabajo thurwa. Hello. Kora biro kaya kawuono. Kaka yo OD. To gima neno ka chopo kacha. Kapok adhi yawo ofis mar ODM. Akadhi ofis moro kacha mondik ni OUDA. Aneno UDA kacha. Kora dwani ya. Jo UDA man koting'na badgi malo. Jo UDA man koting'na badgi malo. Ere jo UDA. Jo ODM ting'na badgi malo. Erokamano. Koro emomiyo adwaro ni mondo ODM obed motegno ka. ODM kotegno eka wategno. ODM en okumba. Teni asere. Teni atung. Teni tong. Mama kogo loch. Ok minje maber jithurwa. Adwaro ni kijande te odonje chamo. Joma mine te odonj kanye. Jodongo te obed kanye. Jithurwa uyie kamano. Jisuba uyie. Jisuba uyie. Erokamano. Hello. Hello. Awinjo jithurwa. Wawinjre niya. Kano yieri chama kaka MCA, MP, Women Rep, Senator, Governor, i contract ma hignadi. To kawo malayo maki, kawa ngitar, idwa ng'ada ora, odoko dikom jopiny. Uyie kamano jithurwa. Uyie kamano. Mondo wadoge mbulu ka Super South ka. Uyie kamano. Yomo yotina badgi. Hello. 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 ODM. 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 Erokamano ahinya.